Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, this is what we're making and what's inside. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Y'all, today is Make a Card Monday, and I thought that I would make a cute little holder as well. So here is what we're making. I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at today's awesome project. When finished, my baggie measures 6 by 5, and it really is the cutest little bag and so easy to make. And on the inside, what I've created are just 4 pieces of writing stationery. So you can write a little note to leave on someone's desk. You can drop this note in a lunch bag, back to school bag, however you want to do it. But aren't these just adorable and so simple? When finished, the writing space of the card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now, I'm not making envelopes for mine, but you can certainly make them for yours. These are just little note cards that you can just write something on and hand off to someone or drop in a bag, like I said. So we're going to put these back on the inside. Isn't that cute? And here's what we're going to need to make it. So I have these really pretty cherry blossom stickers. I have a strip that measures 10 by 1 1/2. I have 4 white pieces that measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I have some background mats for these, and these measure 4 1/2 by 5 3/4. And then I have a decorative piece that measures 10 1/2 by 11. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make the handle so that the glue that we put in the handle will have a chance to harden. So on the 1 1/2 inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch and at 1 1/8. And then we're simply going to fold and burnish. And so now I'm going to add some glue. We're going to fold in one piece, getting that nice and stuck. Then I'll add some more glue to this end. Fold that over, and we're going to get that stuck. And then I'm just going to use my little bone folder here to help curl the handle and to help spread the glue. And I like to do my handles first because that really gives the glue a chance to harden, and it gives my arch a chance to form without creasing. So now I'm going to take my cards, and this really is going to be very easy. And I am going to take tape and tape the white mat to the base. Go ahead and just do all of my white mats. And y'all, when I'm crafting, for me, if I'm prepping something to sell to someone, this is how I do it. I do all of the same type steps at the same time because it makes it easier, and I'm also less likely to make a mistake. So I'll go ahead and take this piece, and we're just going to put it down, trying to get it nice and even. We'll go over that again in a minute to make sure that it's nice and stuck. And so now we have the 4 cards. I am just going to bring in my stickers. And I like these stickers because they're vellum stickers. So when I put them down, they're pretty much going to match nicely against that white paper. So I'm just going to take this one and we're just going to put this one right here. And see, it looks like it's just made into the paper. Then I think I'm going to take this one and we'll put it down right here. We'll go ahead and take this one and this time I'm going to put that right there so that it's sort of framing the paper. And then I'm just going to take these and I'm just going to put them along the bottom like this. So when you're doing something like this, there really is no right or wrong. It's just what do you like? And if you like it, then it's right for you. And I'm going to put this one right there. Now I'm just going to go over these to make sure they're nice and stuck. And y'all were able to see just how quickly this little project came together. And I still have a few stickers left on my sheet that I'll be able to use on another project. So there are the cards. I'm going to bring in my scoreboard and my decorative paper. On the 11-inch side, we're going to score at 5 and at 10. Then on the 10.5-inch side, we're going to score at 2 and at 8.5. And then I'm just going to fold and burnish my scores. And then where I have this narrow flap here, this is my adhesive flap. So I'm going to have a top and a bottom corner piece that we need to get rid of. So I'll just go to my score mark and remove that. And I'll remove this one from this end as well. And then where it folds, we're going to go ahead and just notch out a little V. And then we're going to take this flap that's closest to the glue flap and we're going to angle in like that. And then I'm just going to glue it inward like that. Just getting it out of the way. And now that we have it like this, let's flip it to the other end. And again, we're going to notch out a V on that score mark, like that. But then we're also going to go to the edge of both, and we're going to angle. So now your piece is going to look like this. We're going to take these two pieces and fold them back. I'm just going to apply my glue. You can use tape on this if you want. Fold that over. Let's get that stuck. Fold that over. Let's get that stuck. And then I'm just going to reduce this piece at the bottom just a little bit because I really don't need all of that bulk. All right, y'all, so what we're going to do now is take this piece and add some glue to the adhesive flap. Take it, fold it over like that. Get it nice and stuck. And then make sure that this piece here at the bottom, you've angled it in just a little bit because we're now going to take it and tuck it in. So you can remove even more of this if you want, because you only need enough to be able to tuck in like this. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue going across. And now I can lay it down and get that nice and stuck. And then I'm just going to open it to make sure everything opens nicely, and it does. And now we can take our handle, and I'm only making one handle, and we're just going to take it and put it on the inside of our little bag like this. So I am going to add my glue. I'll take this and put that one there, and I'll put this one here, and we just need to let it dry. Lay it down for just a minute. Go on the inside with my bone folder. Not going to put my cards in here just yet because I might have some glue that seeped out. Wouldn't want to get the glue on the cards. So then I'm going to take a couple of decorative dots, add some glue to the back. I'm going to place one right there, and I'm going to add some glue to this one. And I'm adding glue because these are a little bit old and they don't have that much stick left on them. So that's why I'm adding the glue. So there we have our sweet little bag. I am going to take my cards, place them on the inside, and that is a perfect fit. And how stinking cute is that? This makes a great little gift, or it makes a great little craft fair seller, or keep it for yourself. But look how beautifully this will present on any craft fair table that you might be hosting at a craft fair. These are the things that draw the eyes in to your table. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's awesome Make a Card Monday. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.